Hey guys, welcome back. You know I love tech and a good deal. Today we're diving into 5 amazing home security gadgets under 50 bucks. Cameras, alarms, sensors, the works. Alright, let's get into it. First up, the Blink Outdoor 4 security camera, a steal at around 50 bucks for a 2-camera kit. This is an incredible value for anyone looking to enhance their home security without spending a fortune. Imagine getting not 1, but 2 high-quality cameras for such a low price. It's almost too good to be true, but Blink has made it possible. It offers 1080p HD video resolution, ensuring crystal clear footage day and night. Whether you're monitoring your front porch or your backyard, you can count on this camera to deliver sharp and detailed video. The high-definition quality means you won't miss a thing, from the smallest details to the biggest events. Infrared night vision lets you see everything, even in complete darkness. This feature is perfect for those late-night hours when visibility is low. With the Blink Outdoor 4, you can rest easy knowing that your property is being watched over, no matter how dark it gets outside. It's wireless and weather-resistant, so you can set it up anywhere. Rain or shine, this camera is built to withstand the elements. Its robust design ensures that it will keep functioning in various weather conditions, providing you with reliable security all year round. Motion detection alerts are sent straight to your phone. This means you'll be instantly notified if there's any unusual activity around your home. You can quickly check the live feed and take appropriate action if needed. It's like having a personal security guard in your pocket. Plus, it has two-way audio for talking to whoever's on camera. This feature is incredibly useful for communicating with visitors or even deterring potential intruders. You can speak directly through the camera, making it clear that your property is being monitored. Imagine the possibilities. The Blink Outdoor 4 is a game changer at this price point. Whether you're using it to keep an eye on your kids playing in the yard or to monitor package deliveries, this camera offers endless possibilities for enhancing your home security. Packed with features, super easy to use, and gives you peace of mind. The user-friendly interface makes setup a breeze, and the app provides seamless control over your cameras. You can easily adjust settings, view live footage, and review recorded clips, all from your smartphone. Bottom line, it's a must-have for budget-friendly home security. With its combination of affordability, reliability, and advanced features, the Blink Outdoor 4 stands out as an excellent choice for anyone looking to secure their home without breaking the bank. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. The value you're getting here is unmatched, and it's a limited-time offer. Act now to take advantage of this fantastic price and upgrade your home security system today. Protect your home without breaking the bank. The Blink Outdoor 4 security camera offers a perfect blend of quality, functionality, and affordability, making it an ideal choice for any homeowner. Users rave about its ease of installation and video quality. Many reviews highlight how simple it is to set up, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. The affordability and high performance are frequently mentioned, making it a popular choice among homeowners. For installation, just follow the step-by-step guide provided. Mounting the camera is straightforward, and the app walks you through the entire process. In no time, you'll have a fully functional security system up and running. Additional features include extended battery life and optional solar panels. The camera can run for up to 2 years on a single set of batteries, and you can add a solar panel for even longer lasting power. Plus, there are various accessories available to enhance your setup. The app also offers customizable settings to tailor the camera to your needs. You can adjust motion sensitivity, set activity zones, and even schedule recording times. This level of customization ensures that your security system works exactly how you want it to. With all these features, the Blink Outdoor 4 security camera truly provides peace of mind. It's an investment in your home's safety that won't break the bank, making it a smart choice for any homeowner looking to enhance their security. Next, the Wise Cam OG, at just 35 bucks. It offers 1080p HD video, live streaming, and motion-activated spotlights. Color night vision lets you see in full color, even in low-light conditions. Two-way audio for talking to family members or warding off intruders. Choose between cloud storage and local storage. For 35 bucks, it's an absolute steal, packed with features you'd expect on pricier cameras. Perfect for budget-conscious homeowners. Users rave about its ease of use and reliability, giving it high ratings across the board. Installation is a breeze, with a simple step-by-step guide. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with your smart home devices for added convenience. Our third pick is the Ring Indoor Cam, 2nd generation. This compact and versatile camera is perfect for those looking to enhance their home security without breaking the bank. Often found on sale for under $50, it offers 1080p HD video quality. This means you get clear and crisp video footage, ensuring you can see every detail whether it's day or night. seamless integration with Alexa for voice control and live feeds on Echo Show devices. You can simply ask Alexa to show you the camera feed, making it incredibly convenient to check on your home from anywhere. Two-way audio and motion detection alerts sent to your phone. This feature allows you to communicate with anyone in the room through the camera and receive instant notifications if any movement is detected. Comes with a privacy cover for when you don't want the camera recording. This ensures your privacy is maintained whenever you need it, giving you peace of mind, ideal for those with an Alexa setup. The Ring Indoor Cam fits seamlessly into your existing smart home ecosystem, enhancing your security setup without any hassle. Worth checking out for budget-friendly indoor security? If you're looking for an affordable yet reliable security solution, the Ring Indoor Cam is definitely a top contender. Users rave about its ease of use and reliability. Many reviews highlight the straightforward installation process and the excellent video quality. Installation is a breeze. Simply plug it in, connect to your Wi-Fi, and follow the step-by-step guide in the Ring app. No professional help needed. Additional features include night vision, ensuring you have a clear view even in low-light conditions. This makes it perfect for monitoring your home 24/7. You can also share access with family members, so everyone can keep an eye on the home. This makes it a great option for families or shared living spaces. Next up, the Eufy Security Solo Indoor Cam P24, priced at just under $50. It offers 2K resolution, night vision, and AI-powered human detection. This means you get incredibly clear video footage and smart alerts that can distinguish between people and other moving objects, reducing false alarms. With two-way audio and integration with Alexa and Google Assistant, it's a versatile option for indoor security. You can easily communicate with anyone in the room or check live feeds using voice commands, adding an extra layer of convenience to your smart home setup. Easy to set up and use, it's perfect for those looking for high-quality security on a budget. Simply plug it in, connect to your Wi-Fi, and follow the simple instructions in the Eufy app. No professional installation required. The Eufy Security Solo Indoor Cam P24 is ideal for anyone wanting reliable security features without spending a fortune. Whether you're monitoring your home, office, or any other indoor space, this camera has got you covered. Stay secure without breaking the bank. Let's talk about the HNHMT portable door lock and door stop alarm set. This innovative security solution is designed to give you peace of mind whether you're at home, in a hotel, or renting an apartment. Perfect for renters, travelers, or anyone wanting extra security without permanent installation. Imagine arriving at your hotel room and knowing you can secure it in seconds. Only $25 for a portable door lock and a 120 decibel door stop alarm. That's a small price to pay for such a significant boost in security. The portable door lock reinforces your existing lock, adding an extra layer of protection. It's like having a personal security guard for your door. The door stop alarm is loud, 120 decibels to alert you and your neighbors. It's designed to scare off intruders and notify you immediately. Easy to use with no tools required. You can set it up in minutes, making it perfect for those who aren't handy with tools. Perfect for hotel rooms, apartments, dorm rooms, and more. Whether you're a student, a frequent traveler, or just someone who values their security, this set is for you. Simple, affordable, and portable security. You can easily pack it in your suitcase or backpack, ensuring you're always protected no matter where you go. A must-have for on-the-go security. Don't let the fear of break-ins ruin your travels or your peace of mind at home. Don't miss out on this game-changing gadget. Secure your space and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're protected. Users rave about its effectiveness and ease of use. One reviewer said, "This is a lifesaver for my frequent travels. I feel so much safer in my hotel rooms now." Installation is straightforward. Simply insert the metal piece into the door latch, close the door, and secure the red handle. No tools needed. Additional features include a non-slip base for the door stop alarm and a compact design that fits easily in your bag. It's designed for maximum convenience and security. Whether you're at home, in a dorm, or traveling, the HNHMT portable door lock and door stop alarm set is your go-to for reliable security. Last, we have motion sensor lights, effective and affordable. Found for $20 to $40, they deter potential intruders. They turn on automatically when they detect movement. Easy installation with hardwired, battery-powered, or solar options. Install them on walls, above garage doors, or along driveways. Provide extra security and peace of mind while saving on energy bills. A win-win for home security. And there you have it, 5 awesome home security gadgets that won't break the bank. Which gadget caught your eye? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more tech reviews. Stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.